This time we have a Yamaha KX-330 audio cassette deck. As you can hear, it plays with a sudden grating sound, like metal grinding against metal. Also, the audio cassette tape speed changes sometimes. If you record on it and play it back, you will have places where it plays the recording faster. At first, I was not sure what was causing it. However, I touched both motors with my fingers, and I think that it is the capstan motor making this sound. Also, this motor was hotter than usual. Okay, we will remove the motor assembly from the deck. That is somewhat easy, as you can disconnect all the cables. Now I am desoldering cables from both motors, as I need to move that PCB. Here we can unscrew the 3 screws and remove the capstan motor assembly. Now unscrewing the 3 motor screws. You can see that the shaft is a bit loose. I had doubts that it would work again. To disassemble it, we need to remove its lid first. Just pull the lid off with a flat screwdriver. Do not wedge the screwdriver against the PCB. You also need to desolder the green PCB from the brush assembly, because there is no way to reassemble the motor without damaging the brushes. Cleaning the motor shaft. I made a lubricant from bicycle oil and grease and lubricated both motor bushings. Unfortunately, the camera battery went flat, and I do not have footage of the motor assembly part. It took me a very long time to do this repair, as I had never done it before. Now the deck works perfectly.
They never lie. Dancing lights, they catch my eye. In this world I'm flying high. City streets are paved with stars, rolling beats and passing cars, chasing shadows, leaving scars, caught in rhythms near and far. Under the electrical light shine, lost in the afterglow so fine. Hearts race on the edge of time. In the spark, we'll intertwine. Of the night's embrace, guiding us through endless space. Every pulse a newfound grace. Feel the tempo pick up pace. Crystal visions fill the air. Every movement a love affair. Unspoken words we boldly share. In the night we're unaware. Under the electrical light shine, lost in the afterglow so fine. Hearts race on the edge of time. In the spark, we'll intertwine. Moonlight shine, lost in the afterglow so